Your Desi Totke are not saving your hair, they are destroying it. Let's be honest. Many Desi hair tips sound natural, sound safe, sound smart. But some of them are silently ruining your hair. Yes, ruining. I work with women's hair awareness. I see the damage every day. Thinning hair, weak roots, dry lengths, broken strands. And the cause? Wrong Desi advice. You are not alone. We all trusted these tips. But here is the hidden truth. Natural does not mean safe. Old does not mean correct. Hair today is different. Water is different. Air is different. Lifestyle is different. So let's break 7 popular Desi hair myths and replace them with modern, science-backed care. Crossmark Myth 1. More oil is equal to stronger hair. Heavy oil blocks the scalp. Traps dirt. Weakens roots. White heavy checkmark modern fix. Use light oil. Short massage. Wash on time. Crossmark Myth 2. Weekly onion juice will grow hair. Onion irritates the scalp. Causes itching. Triggers shading. White heavy checkmark modern fix. Use gentle scalp serums. No burning. No redness. Crossmark Myth 3. Egg masks repair hair. Egg dries on hair. Makes it stiff. Causes breakage. White heavy checkmark modern fix. Use protein masks made for hair. Balanced. Smooth. Crossmark Myth 4. Henna suits everyone. Henna dries already dry hair. Makes it brittle. White heavy checkmark modern fix. Use moisture-rich color treatments. Hair stays soft. Crossmark Myth 5. Aloe alone can fix damage. Aloe hydrates, but does not repair. White heavy checkmark modern fix. Use bond repair products. They fix weak hair structure. Crossmark Myth 6. No shampoo is best. Dirt stays. Scalp clogs. Hair weakens. White heavy checkmark modern fix. Use mild shampoo. Clean scalp is equal to strong hair. Crossmark Myth 7. Home remedies beat modern care. Hair damage today is complex. Heat. Pollution. Stress. Totke cannot fix all. White heavy checkmark modern fix. Targeted hair care. Smart formulas. Gentle science. Now the aha moment. Your hair was not bad. Your advice was outdated. Here is your unexpected gift. You don't need 20 remedies. You need 7 smart changes. Here is your micro-win. This week, stop heavy oil. Stop harsh masks. Switch to gentle care. Your hair will feel the difference. But wait. Some hair problems come from inside the body. Stress. Sleep. Hormones. Is your hair telling you something deeper? Femalex Pakistan is here for women. We protect hair with care. Not fear. Not pressure. Your hair deserves modern love. Not old damage. You are not alone.